Hello friends, my name is Rajpika, student of NMIT Global Campus Auckland, and today we are going to learn how to apply CloudFormation Designer to create a CloudFormation template and how to develop and generally customizing the templates includes the relevant naming. And for that purpose, we have to know what is a AWS CloudFormation. AWS CloudFormation gives developers and system administrator an easy way to create and manage a collection of related AWS resources, provisioning and updating them in an orderly and predictable fashion. We have to create the CloudFormer in order to do that. So first we have to create a new stack. Therefore, just go on the CloudFormation. So here we have seen, I have already done all the stacks. Just first create the stack, give the CloudFormer, click on next. Just give the one, here give a stack name, password and username. Then click on next. No need to put the key value, just click on the next. Review the configuration you have given and click on create. After click on the I acknowledge that. So you can see that I have already created a stack, so I can click on the output tab and find the link for your CloudFormer. Click on the link and will open in a new tab. Open the link in an output tab and click on advanced and select proceed to URL and give your credential and the passwords and click on login. Select the region in which you want to create your template. Just create template. Give a template description so it can be identified easier. Click on continue. Here you can see the hosted tunes and Route 53 records of the Dinosaur Labs because it is also in the same reason. It's up to you. If you want to select these, then you can click on it. Otherwise, you can click on continue. In the VPC, you need to select the VPC of the ADDS you created earlier since we are going to create a similar design. So here we have an Elastic IP 35.166.4.240. You can see that here we have a VPC 5784.13.31. Then this thing you have to select in the CloudFormer. So tick upon this, then click on continue. In the VPC network technologies, it will automatically select the subnets and the internet gateways because we selected the VPC of the ADDAs and click on continue. After that, click. Select the Elastic IP which is associated with the RDGW instance. We have a 35.166.4.240. After that, click on continue. Select the auto scaling group ADDS scenario 3. Now keep the default configuration and click on continue when you have selected the auto scaling group. You don't have to select the launch configuration. It will get automatically selected. It is up to you. Choose an instance or not. Keep the default and click on continue. No need to configure the storage because we still does not have created an environment. No need to select any application service. For the security group, select the two ADDA security groups and the controller security group. And click on continue. Here you go with the default configuration and click on continue. In the summary, you need to modify the name so it can be easy to identify it. After that, click on continue. Now you can copy the whole template in your notepad file. After saving the template, go to the services and select the EC2. And select instance. In the instance, you will find the instance called RDGW. Select the instance and click on it to connect the remote desktop. And connect with it. I'm selecting the remote connection with RTW to create a user in my computer. So after that, we will edit the coding of our template. To avoid errors, we will create a new customized template in another region using the JSON code of the template, but run our template first, which we have. For that purpose, just go on that slide, open it, open the local file and put it up and run the code. Here you can see the template which we have here. Now you can edit the code step by step and give the unique name to it, and it's better to open it with the Node++, so it will be easy to identify the code. So now I'm going to open it with the Notepad++. Now first I'm going to edit the VPC. And replace with it some unique name. Replace all. So it's easy to edit in your code. It's time to edit the subnets one by one because we have 4 subnets to edit. Replace with it some unique name like subnet 1. Replace all. Now we have to edit the subnet 2. Replace all where we have this subnet. Subnet 3. So just close it. Now subnet 4. Replace it with subnet 4. Replace all where we have this subnet. Editing the code of internet gateway which we have. Replace it with some unique name like IGW1. It's better to replace all. Here we have a .285D734, that is our DHCP option, so we can write it as a DHCP. After that, now we are going to edit our route tables with some specific unique name and replace with it like RTB1, RTB2, it's easy to remember. For that route table, I'm giving the name RTB3, so it's easy to remember with 1, 2, 3. Editing the coding for route table 4. After completing the route table, we have to edit the elastic IP coding. Sorry to say, we have to copy IP, replace with some EIP, because we have only one elastic IP. Now editing the auto scaling group. Replace with some auto scaling group. Replace it. So we have to edit the launch configuration of the auto scaling group. Replace with a launch auto scaling group. No need to edit the security groups and ingress, egress, but if you want, then you can edit it. Remember one thing, you have to edit your origins also, because if you can't change that coding, it will not give you a stack. After all editing in the code, now we are going to run our coding in NetherReader. Now I'm going to put my editing file here and run the template. So it will give you a editing portion of your templates. Now you can see that template. Now we launch the stack of that coding. Here we have to put the file of our editing code and click on next. Give the stack name. I'm going to give the final, then next. No need to give the key value. If you want, then you can give. Just click on create. It is created in progress. So at the end, we can launch a new stack with the code editing template. Thanks for watching video.